Jordan is missing. So we're going to go through what we talked about yesterday. Yesterday we worked through long division and we worked through synthetic division when we're dividing polynomials. Yeah, remember? So I guess we could go through an example. Let's see. I don't like those examples. Crap. Oh, well, we'll use this. We'll start with this guy doing long division. It's on your paper. Divide 2x to the fourth plus 14x cubed minus 2x squared minus 14x. We're going to divide by x plus 7. Right? Okay. Good? Good? What's up?
Well, I was going to ask kind of the first step. The first step. Kind of
First step. What's well, we're gonna do long division this time.
Okay.
All right. So this is the annoying one, right? We'll put x plus up here, and we'll put that big long polynomial in here. Don't need it, but what the heck? What the heck? Zero there is right. It's unnecessary with long division, but we're okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? How do I get from x to 2x to the fourth power? What do I do? Multiply by
2x squared.
cubed. You knew what you were saying. 2x cubed. Oh, look at that. 2x cubed, 2x fourth, 14x cubed. Oh no! Oh no! It's going to happen, right? We're going to subtract. We're going to subtract. What happens? That goes away. That goes away, right? So I got 0. Oh no! Minus 2x squared, right? Good?
Yes.
How do I get 0? I multiply by
0.
0. So 0 and 0 gives me negative 2x squared. Bring down my minus 14x. That's why. That's why I don't need a 0. Right? Cool?
I have a question.
Yeah.
So how come you're not finding what times what equals negative 2x squared and not?
I am.
No, but like you did like the 0 first time.
I can't. I'm trying to find what gives me 0x cubed. This is a binomial here, right? Right? And then do the math. Now, it ends up being like a placeholder. Same idea, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're good, right?
Negative 2x.
Yay. Yay. Look at that. They're the same. 0. Good. There we go. That's what we got. And so I don't need this 0 in here, right? I don't need that in there. So when I write my quotient is 2x cubed minus 2x. Right? That's great. Cool. Cool. Easy enough?
That was easy.
Simple.
Yeah.
Simple.
Easy.
So long division, is it Awesome. No. No. Why are your computers open? What are we looking at?
Oh, this
Liar.
So I'm actually.
For what?
I've just been doing.
No!
My notebook.
That's not what we're doing, dude.
That
That has nothing to do with what we're doing. So you just lied to me, brought up Desmos and started to put that in, but that's not what we're doing in this class. And now you've been called out on a video that I'm going to post. Perhaps I'll post it for parents so they can take a look.
You should tag Master Sergeant Lopez so he can see it.
You get to make a choice when you walk in this room. Do you want to be part of the class, like the two guys who've been part of the class today, or 2.5, or do you want to do your own thing?
I'm happy.
My comment on that is you don't get to complain when your grade's not so great. When your grade is mediocre at best,
That's all my fault.
right? It's on you because you could have been part of the solution instead of being part of the problem.
Guys, you're part of the solution.
Let's go ahead and use some synthetic division on the following. Y cubed plus y squared minus 10. We're going to divide by y plus 3. This is a fun one, right? Synthetic division. What goes in the box?
The 0 of y plus 3.
-3.
-3. You're good.
Oh.
-3 in the box. The root goes in the box. And now our coefficients.
0.
1. 1. I don't have a y term, so I need a placeholder. Just like Dash said, I need a 0 and a -10. Do you remember doing this? Have you done this in the past?
I feel like this is more complicated.
Cool. Just like Snoop says,
I recognize.
drop it like it's hot, right? Multiply,
Oh, Lord, well,
add,
Oh my God.
multiply, add.
Wait, so could you?
It literally brings.
Drop it down, multiply, put it up, add together, multiply again, put it up, add together. You're going to multiply again.
Okay, I was not.
Cool? All right, I'm going to tell you what I have neglected to tell many mathematics fans or students over time. The remainder theorem. The remainder theorem means that this guy right here, this number right here that you get as your remainder, that's what you would get out if you went ahead and put -3 into this function. Do you believe me?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's wait.
No, I'm kidding, sir. Of course I will.
Got it?
Ooh.
So -3, right? -3 cubed is -27,
Yes.
right? -3 squared is 9. Minus 10, that's -1, -27, -1, that's -28. But that,
Wait, wouldn't you have to divide it by 0?
what are you talking about?
Like, if you plug in the
No, I'm just talking about the remainder, just for now. Now, this as division This is your quotient right here. These are the coefficients of your quotient. You drop this power by 1, so this would be y squared minus 2y plus 6 with a remainder of negative 28 over my divisor of y plus 3. That's doing the division piece. That's my quotient. Okay? But the remainder theorem, which is next, it has importance. Cool?
Cool.
Yes.
So how did you get the -3, 6, and -18?
The -3, the 6, and the 18. Okay, so with synthetic division, step 1 is you take this first coefficient, drop it straight down to the bottom. Your next step is to take what you've got here, multiply it by your divisor, and place it here. Right? So 1 times -3 is -3. And then we start to add. 1 plus -3 is -2. Now we multiply again. -2 times -3 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 times -3 is -18. -10 plus -18 is 28. So it's a more efficient way of dividing, because if I end up with nothing in here, that means that this divisor is a factor of that polynomial.
Can I use the restroom?
If you feel you must. Should I give a test today? Should I give a quiz today?
I don't think I'm with guys. Just on this.
No. Yeah, just on this. No, just on this. Dash will kill it. Dash will absolutely destroy this. Right? Dash is on fire with this.
Thank you. Sir, if that's the case, you should have him do a problem on the board for us.
That was the key.
He should, sorry, what was that?
No, I said sure.
What was that? You've been recorded.
Oh,
That was what?
no.
Yeah, exactly. I'll put you on the list to go,
No, please. No,
with,
no,
Dr. Horsey.
no,
Cool,
please,
Mark.
please, no.
Maybe that'll be my reward. All right, everybody gets a chance to do this. Set it up.
Can I have a class right?
Set it up and do it. You have 30 seconds.
No.
N plus 2. So we divide.
There is every single n term there. So you don't have to put any zeros in, no placeholders. This is for a grade. Come on. Today. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
He's on a trip.
Are they gone all day?
No, they're gone all day.
Can you do synthetic?
Can you? Yes. You definitely can.
Can you do synthetic with like any problem that's?
Yes.
So I don't understand this. I mean, I do,
Step one,
but
Snoop says,
Yo, calm down, shut up.
drop it like a hot. That's right, thank you.
I got you.
You're the only one who ever listens.
What's the calm?
He's one of my favorite guys on the face of the earth.
Really? Me?
Snoop.
He's a crazy stoner.
Snoop Dogg? He's not though. I mean, he is, but he isn't. He is a really nice guy.
Wait, because he's high all the time.
No, he's not though.
Oh, he is. Oh, yeah.
He's not though.
He's
I feel like if you met him in real life,
She
he's sober,
literally,
I feel
like,
like he'd be a dick.
Absolutely not.
Really? You don't think so?
Have you watched him on The Voice? What a sweetheart of a
Yeah,
guy.
but everybody's high.
He's not though.
Are you sure?
Sir, he really tells.
But it's so normal nowadays that I feel like you could rip that shit all the time.
Really, dude? I'm definitely sending that to you.
Oh, my fault. I forgot about that. But he said he was like rolling stuff with like Bibles back in the day, man.
Yeah, well, we tend to get older, and we don't need it as often. Sometimes we grow up.
I agree with that. I see him. I feel like
I
he's
mean,
always
heck,
on
man,
cloud.
I was young once.
He was on cloud nine all the
Hey.
time, though. I swear.
Why? We have a factor.
Why is
That makes sense.
Looky, looky, looky.
Why so serious?
Why so?
That's crazy. I got the same math in my head. There's a reason why the show did.
Looky, looky, looky.
Sir, I've had
Is that what you
in
got?
the notebook for 5 minutes.
Is that what you got?
Yes.
Yo.
Yeah, we got a factor.
So,
What?
That's why it was just a towel.
Well, John Clare beatbox.
Good. So now that we're here, what's the quotient?
Country team, you are dismissed for your meet.
Oh,
Thank you.
bye guys. Good luck. Have fun. I'll miss you.
Sir, I'll win for you.
Run pretty.
I'll win for you.
Yeah.
Don't forget. Hey, don't forget. Chalk up your elbows. Corners. 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 Bump them.
Yeah.
Well, a little push. Make them run a little bit farther around that corner.
Stop now.
Yeah. Cut them off right inside of them.
I did that one.
As you're coming through a corner, it makes them really mad.
I did that once in the beginning.
That's part of cross country.
Wait, what?
Part of cross country is jockeying for position.
Wait, what did you do?
Hey, don't break the rules.
I got it.
The rules,
Wait.
but you gotta run.
Wait, what did you? What?
No, I didn't.
I just like cut them off like that.
How?
Like I ran, just
Sir.
cut them,
Yeah.
in like a crowd of people.
Cool.
You multiply the one that's on the bottom. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay,
And it goes up there. So you multiply these two, it goes right there. And then you add, and then you multiply, and it goes up there.
How far is normal costume?
And negative 1 is
3 miles.
And negative 3, so I made it a negative 1.
You're all right. You did great.
Like you should have had that.
Why so serious?
I got so excited. I was like, with no chat GPT.
Good. Have fun out there. Good luck.
Sorry, I got it.
Run.
Sorry,
Run fast. Run fast. Run fast. Run fast.
Run fast.
Sorry about that. Hey, so we got the idea there. And so the only difference is, what does this mean? So does that mean if I put a 2 in, or I'm sorry, a negative 2 in
for the ends.
for n,
Yes.
I'd get out of 0?
That's what I think.
It does mean that, as a matter of fact. So it means 2 different things, right? So it means that's what I get out. That's my output for negative 2, f of negative 2 gives me a 0, right? But it also means that n plus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. Like if we did the long division, we'd come up with that same thing with no remainder. Exciting? Super exciting.
Why so furious?
So those are the 2 things that we started yesterday, what we're finishing today, but now that we have nobody in class, why do we need to worry about recording the rest? Right, we have our examples in, yes?
Yes.
Do you need any other help with it? It seems pretty,
This is
pretty easy,
I
right?
understand this, believe it or not.
This one's a pretty simple concept Hold on.
I don't,
You don't understand? What is it you don't understand?
why, so, I don't know how -1, I mean, +1, -1, -10, -24 became 0, -2, 6, 8, and -4.
They got sick of you.
I
How did
don't-
that happen?
Oh, you don't know how it became that?
Yeah.
Okay, so your first step, whenever you do either the synthetic substitution or synthetic division, is this first coefficient gets dropped straight down. Okay?
Check this out the bathroom wall.
Because there's nothing to add to it yet. So then you multiply your divisor
Ariana Grande is so hot, bro.
by 1, right? -2 times 1 is
Thank you.
-2. You bring it up.
What happened to the
Then you add
Oh, the
-1 plus -2 is -3. All right, I have something here with which to multiply by my divisor. -3 times -2 is 6, right? So then we add -10 plus 6 is -4. -4 times -2 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 times -2 is -24. Getting there? Getting there? So,
That's pretty.
this is,
That was Saturday. That was Saturday. It was a good day. It was a quality day. I enjoyed it.
I'm just.
As we saw it.
Yo, you look out of here, my man.
I parked right down the street from that. Blue or red light parked back. With my boys in the back seat. It was a hype ass day.
are you okay with this?
I'm okay.
I'm good? All right,
I'm
okay.
just showing